Know that song. I'm old enough to know that song. I hope. I think it's the one. All right, guys, here we go. Cheer these guys on. This is hard to do in the middle of Wildcat Harley Davidson, and let's cheer them on here. Let's get our first one going.
You got me, guys.
Yeah, well, if you guess it's me, you guess correct. Yeah, I just see what a stallion swear I wasn't questioning. I'ma hit him with that pipe. Call that Nancy Cadillac, Sam a greenish green. Falls vegetarians.
All right. Let's give him a hand here, guys. I couldn't do that. I'll be more like, yo, I'm a white guy that can't rap and chickadee check my. Okay, never mind. We ain't gonna do that. All right. That's why I'm on an oldies station, folks. All right. Come on up here, big guy. I don't want to stretch out this mic.
I'm gonna vote for him just because he doesn't like beat me up or something. If you're voting for George, that's not a total. And if you're voting for Blake, wow. All right, let's okay, everybody step off here. We're gonna have to. We don't have to do a rap battle here. All right, we're gonna do the George Jacoby guys. Thank you, we appreciate it. We're gonna keep Bubba and Blake up here. We're gonna have to go to round 2, the final round. All right, so you got to do a different song now too. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but we're gonna do it this way. Bubba, do you have a second song? He's gonna do some Conway 20.
All right, you go.
Nice to see you.
There's a lot of ways of saying what I want to say to you. There's love songs and poems and promises and dreams that might come true.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Holla. All right. Blake, your new song.
I don't like being stared at.
Sing a little louder this time.
I didn't know if you want me to back up dance or what.
Yeah, you can front up dance.
You front up dance.
Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high.
All right. I think that was another Nicki Minaj song, wasn't it? Yeah. I just don't listen to her music. I watch her videos, though. Yeah. Nobody tells Sam. Okay. Anyway.
You got Sam on speed dial.
Yeah, somebody call her. She's right up here talking about Nicki Minaj and what she looked like in her videos and stuff. If you're voting for Blake, let's get a round of applause for Blake. If you're voting for Bubba, round of applause. Man, y'all gotta do this to me. Man, this is gonna last on forever. It's like 7 days later. I gotta go to work, man. God.
Keep guessing at me.
No, I can't do that. I'm not a magician. Okay, you got any things here? This is your all shindig. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Here's what we're gonna have to do. I don't know if I can do this to Bubba. Bubba might think it's my decision here, and then see, I've got to deal with the repercussions after the car show. Okay, I'm gonna get some music up here. Go ahead and get up here. All right.
It's going on the website tonight.
All right, here we go.
Remember that, Bubba, going on the website tonight.
YouTube, yeah.
By the 20th. Heck yeah. HammerValleyCruising.com.
Seriously?
Video.
Hang on a
Let's
second.
do
Bubba shop we got.
All right, let's see what we got here.
See, these big guys intimidate me a little bit. I don't look real tough around him, do I? What's up, man? What's your name?
Bubba.
See, he's like, what's your name? I expect him to go, Bubba. He's like, Bubba. I'm glad we're friends. Oh, we're friends, aren't we? Okay, all right. All right, Bubba, what are you going to sing?
Sing Lil Waylon.
Lil Waylon, yeah, all right.
All right.
All right, let's get with it. Here we go.
Just a good old boy. I never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw. Been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
Let's give it up for Bubba. Man. Ain't nothing like little Dukes of Hazzard. I know Chris over there getting with it, man. He's like, geeky. All right. All right, we're gonna leave. I guess the well, I don't know if it's the best, but we're gonna leave one for the last here. We got one more over here. Sorry, I couldn't help it. Let's go. Come on. All right, hey, let's get with it, Bubba. Let's do it, man. Go for it, Blake. Come on, you got this. We got a hat up for grabs. Yeah! That's my patented move. Break it out. There we go. Okay. Oh, he's digging it. Digging up bones, folks. All right, let's break it out. Come on, a little bit more. Give us a little bit more here. Okay, Blake. He's doing the sprinkler. He's doing the sprinkler. All right. God help us. Why did I do that? Okay. All right. If you're voting for Blake, let's hear a round. Everybody vote one time. Blake. Bubba. I do believe we have a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2 rounds of sing-off and the dance-off. You look emotional, Bubba. Are you okay? You want to say a few words?
I'm good.
Okay.
Like Lady Gaga.
Yeah, well, neither does most of America, but that's okay. Bubba, congratulations. You did us proud, buddy. We appreciate it. Let's give Bubba a round of applause. Give Blake a round of applause. All right, let's get back into the music.